Hello viewers, this is your girl Ify. You are welcome to this vlog today. Today I'm here to talk about Bobrisky, but first of all, please, if you are just tuning into my channel, do not forget to press the subscription button. It's free, no charge required. So my whole timer, you are highly welcome to this vlog again. Thank you, God bless you all. Today I'm here to talk about Bobrisky, the Africa baby doll, Boboto Risky. Yes, there have been a lot of controversies about Bobrisky featuring in the Nollywood film. So a lot of things going on, people saying Bobrisky is this, Bobrisky is that, and this film has gotten a lot of view. The people, the people like bashing him, at least, but they were still watching. I was like, come on. There are people, they watch the part one, you bash him, you watch the part one, you watch the part two, you watch the part three, you watch the part four. And you are there bashing, and you know how Bobrisky legs are and all those things. Come on, we are bigger than this. The world is going global. I don't support, someone changing his sex from a man to a woman. I dislike it. But what will you do when somebody have chosen to toy this way? If you talk from now till thy kingdom come, nothing will make him to change. Though I'm sorry, Bobrisky, he said is now. Nothing will make Bobrisky to change. She has chosen what to be, and this is her decision. It's hard with we Africa to accept the decision of people, self-decision that people have made on their own, and we go about carrying it as our cup of tea. We drink Panadol in people's headache. Why not accept the decision someone has made for him or herself? You don't feed this person, you don't do anything for this person. Even if this person is existing, you don't know, and this person become a superstar, you suddenly pick up being interested in this person and bashing this person and everything. I'm sorry, a lot of you I know will not agree to what I'm saying, but my opinion is leave everybody to be what they want to be. It's their life. Oh, it's against your belief, it's against my belief, it's against the Christian belief, it's against the Muslim belief. Come on. But if you feel it's bad, you don't have to go about, insulting him or something like this. If there is a war to be fought, take it to the Lord in prayer. That's why God is there, is the judge. Take it to him in prayer and say, God, please, I want this person to change this person for me. If you want to fast. If you if you want to do 30 days on 40 days on the mountain, go and do it. Pray for him to change. Don't go around bashing him, because if made his decision, your talk or your insult cannot change him from being what he want to be another thing. If made his self decision, and you should respect it and not going around bashing people anyhow. That is one thing with we Africa. We hardly accept people's decision. We hardly accept people the way they are. We want them to be what we want, what we have. Like, it's like you write people destiny and say, take, it's a slip of paper, be what I want you to be. It doesn't work like that. When somebody have chosen a way and you try to enforce that person, you even will be frustrated, because that person will even be more strong-headed than the way you think. So there is no need of and the hypocrisy in this thing is that all those people bashing him, they were not using their real name. They will go to the comment section, block their identity, and start bashing this Africa baby doll. They will go to the comment section, they will block their name, and they will start bashing this guy. Why not let him be? Let her be whatever you want to be. If you have that, if you disagree to that, if it annoys you, don't watch anything that concern her or he. Don't watch. If you see anything they put Bobrisky, jump and pass. as we say, jump and pass, don't watch. This is a free world. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like for someone to change from man to woman. In as much as I don't like it, I still respect his opinion, his decision, is his life. He is living it. If I hate it so much and I know that it's concerned me so much, I will put him in prayer and lay it before God. God, come and take control. This is this person the way he is. Or I say, let your will be done. God sees him, sees what he is doing. I'm not a pastor. I'm not even, I know people will come here and disagree with me, but anything, your opinion is your opinion, my opinion is my opinion. We can disagree, but that wouldn't make us enemy. We can disagree, your opinion may be different, mine may be different, but I don't hate you, don't hate me. You can disagree with me and put your comment below. It's a free world, but everyone have his or her life to live. I don't paddle your boat, you don't paddle mine. Let everybody be happy in the way he or she have chosen for herself. If it doesn't work out, it's their fault. They made the choice. If it works out, good luck for them. Than going up and down, bashing people, insulting, that is very bad. We should learn how to respect people's decision of their own life. That is what I have to say today. And I say, take care, be blessed till the next time. Bye.